Okay guys, I'm going to go to Scruff, and this one's for jet ski. Let's salute to you, Mikey. So let's flick this over. You find this in my Discord, and it's separate to the Trader Talk. Trader Talk, we just talk with each other just as we go. Yeah, got my new posters and mug today, so I'm quite happy. But they get into the charts, etc. in Bulls and Bears. But we're looking at Trader Clinic today and Scruff. So there's a video just currently rendering for Fossil there, so that'll be up in a minute. And we now on to this one. So as much as I want to be trading as a main source of income, it won't be possible at the moment. Looks like a long road ahead. How do you assess trading during full-time work? Should I just stick to swing trading or setting up a day trade before work hours? And can really be checking. So, right, it's not as difficult a question. First of all, you've got to define the difference between a day trade and a swing trade. A day trade is anything that can start and end within 24 hours. Swing trade is thereafter. Now, you can day trade with a day chart. No problem. You can day trade with a 4-hour chart. It's not a problem. So if you're working, you could easily just get up an hour earlier before you set off, have a look at the chart, get an idea of where you think the market is going to be, and use a pending order. Now that order is either going to get filled or it won't. If it gets filled, amazing. Make certain you have your point of pain and a stop loss put in, and make certain you've got a reasonable target put in. Then you don't have to watch the screen anymore. So you can day trade around a day job, and you can even plan it the night before. So at the end of the night, so between 9 and 10, I'm talking UK times here, by the way, guys. Markets are normally really quiet. You can have a good look at the charts, look at a daily, look at a 4-hour, get a good feel of what the market's looking to achieve. And then again, just put your pending orders in. Because your levels that you put into place are identical, whether on a monthly or a tick chart. They're in the exact same place. You've just got to decide where you're going to enter the market. Now, for me, that's the way I would do it. I use pending orders all the time. But once my market is triggered, I only try to reassess it once an hour or even once every 4 hours. So it's not unfeasible for you to quickly check a chart while you're having a cup of tea. You know, on a break, you can just sort of look to see whether you're triggered. And at lunchtime, again, just look to see whether you're triggered. And then when you go home, just see whether it was good, bad, or indifferent. So that's kind of the way to do it. Now, swing trading is the easier way. Certainly using on a daily chart. But again, put your pending order in, you put your target in, and you just let it play out. The misconception is that people think they have to be in front of the screen in order to day trade. You don't. You can set trades up about 7 o'clock in the morning, just decide whether it's a buying or selling market, look for an optimum entry, just put a pending order on the level, and then go do whatever you want, and you'll come back to a win or a loss. But if you're doing it that way, make certain you have a stop loss in, and the stop only protects the account. That's all it does. So there you go. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.